Matthew made it look real easy, didn't he?
Shut up, Don. Matthew made it look real easy. Okay. That ain't easy there. You like that jumping part?
Come on, Danny, hurry up. I ain't got all day.
Hurry up, listen.
Hey, you went 2 inches. You'll be a tree.
I think you moved. Didn't it move that time? Go for it.
It moved a half inch again. You're going to be up a tree here in an hour or two.
With something like this, it's too high. With down like that, it's too low.
Well, you gotta get it just right.
Oh, he took a big fish.
That was there's 6 inches there.
You'll bite my ass. Yeah, hey, that's good enough. I done climbed all I want to climb.
You high enough right there, ain't you?
I'll hunt right here, yeah.
All right.
Well, at least you'll bow him down yonder.
I got to jump. I can't get this. I got up and got to get out of it now.
Come on, I ain't got 30 minutes worth of tape.
You know where this is going, don't you? You need to fall to make it authentic.
Yeah,
Can you get out?
Let me back the truck up there and get you.
Yeah. Woo.
All right.
That's all that much fun.